guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about another one of my Spoonie shortcuts, and I like to call this hacking your nap. Basically what this is making your nap an opportunity to not only relax and recharge, but also re-beautify. About a year ago, it occurred to me that if I could do things overnight to beautify, I should possibly try them out during nap time as well. And I found a routine that works really well for me. Tonight I have to go out with my husband. A mutual friend of ours is actually playing a musical gig, so we're going to go out kind of later. And I am having a bit of a flare. I get infused next Monday, and basically how my illness works, aside from the pills, I also go and get infusions. And the further out I get from my infusion, the more pain I have. So I am days away from an infusion, so my body is kind of going haywire and I'm having a lot of pain, which translates to low energy and being tired a lot. So in anticipation of having to go out into public tonight and being around people, I'm going to take a nap. And I thought I would take this opportunity to show you guys what I do before I nap. I won't actually film myself napping because that would be boring and also a little creepy. But I will show you guys that after I nap, so you'll get kind of the feel for what all it looks like. So let's start off with the products. So first of all, what I have done is I have basically created a little beauty nap kit, and it stays at my bedside table. The reason for this is that a lot of times I will go to lay down on the bed and think, I'm going to lay down for 2 minutes, and then 2 minutes is up and I think I need a nap. And then I don't want to get up and go into the bathroom and do the things because it just seems like too much effort, so I don't. So I just figured if I keep a little kit by my bedside table, well actually in my bedside table, it makes everything a lot easier. All right, so let's talk about the products that I like to use. So first off, makeup wipes. Now, I don't use these normally to take off makeup. I do a double cleanse routine, but these are great in a pinch for taking off makeup, but especially taking off sunscreen. So a lot of times on days when I'm going to be taking naps, I won't have really put on much makeup to begin with because I'm already not feeling great, not planning on going out. But I put sunscreen on every day, regardless of whether or not I plan on like going out into public or not. I have a dog, so I go outside to walk him. So sunscreen every day. I don't want to go to sleep with sunscreen on my face. And aside from that, like, it would mess up another step. So I just buy, like, this is the Neutrogena knockoff. I mean, if you have a makeup wipe you like, it doesn't matter, right? Just a makeup wipe of some kind to take off sunscreen. That's the first thing. The next thing that I use is a lip scrub. This one is by, let's see if I can get it to show up. I don't know. I'm having a hard time seeing this in my monitor if it's showing up. We'll see when I review the footage. Sometimes with the lights it's weird. Okay, this one's by Milani, and it's called Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub. Any sugar lip scrub will really work here. This just happens to be the one that I'm using right now. It's really good. It smells like vanilla. It's very yummy smelling. So I use this to exfoliate my lips. I tend to get very dry lips. I have a little bit of scar tissue on my bottom lip, and it does tend to bother me when I flare. So this is sort of a preemptive step that I take. Okay, alongside that, I use this Laneige lip sleeping mask. I am a huge believer in this product. The scar on my lip used to bleed pretty regularly when the weather would change. I know this is probably really gross and too much information, and I apologize. But since I've been using this product, I've not had that problem at all. So, huge fan of this. Love this product. You can get this at Sephora and also online. I'll put links for everything down below. Just as a caveat, if it's going to Amazon, it's going to my Amazon store, which means it's an affiliate link. But you can get this at Sephora, and you can also, I think, buy it online. Okay. The next thing that I like to do is a sleeping mask, and I have, it's a tiny little jar. For this particular hack, I love the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. Now, I had a big full-size container of it, and I finished it. And I'd actually gotten this little bitty jar that I would scoop from the into this one so that I didn't have to keep my big one in the bedroom, because I also use that one at the end of my beauty routine overnight. So I didn't want to have to be like lugging it back and forth. So I put a little bit in here. So this is literally all I have left. I need to buy another one. I'll drop a picture in the video so you can see what the full-size product is. I am a huge Glow Recipe fan. I've used their Blueberry Bounce face cleanser. I've used the watermelon juice serum. I've never had any kind of a reaction to their products. I think that says a lot given how fussy my skin is due to my autoimmune disorder. Not sponsored. Just really love Glow Recipe, although I would not say no to a sponsorship from Glow Recipe. So Glow Recipe, if you're listening. So I love this particular product because it's exfoliating. So it's a little brightening, which is a little different than most sleeping masks, which I've been thinking about maybe doing a video on the different sleeping masks I use. Maybe I'll stick a poll up here to see if you guys are interested in learning a little more about sleeping masks. But this one's a brightening sleeping mask, and Glow Recipe's website actually says you can just put this on for a short period of time. You don't have to actually wear it overnight. So you can put it on for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. So it makes it perfect to use during a nap. So, sleeping pack. All right, next thing. And this one's a little, I have the big. I had a travel size of this, and I ran out, and then I just was like, it's fine. I have room in my drawer for the big one. This is dry shampoo. I believe it was my stylist who had suggested putting dry shampoo in before I went to bed at night and then just leaving it in. And her thing was, like, ordinarily you spray it in, you know, you kind of like work it and then you comb it back out, right? And it doesn't have enough time to like soak out the oil. So if you do it before you go to bed and just leave it in overnight, and then brush it out in the morning, it has more time to work. So I do this during nap time because it's an opportune time to kind of freshen my hair up. All right, so dry shampoo. Next is this. I know you can't read this because it's in, I think it's Japanese. These are heated sleeping masks. So these are little masks. They come in these, hold on, let me pull one out. They come in these like sealed packs, and you open them up, and I have a used one here just so that you can see what it looks like. Now, there we go. This is a used one. I'm not going to say what I think this looks like, but you ladies out there know what I mean. But you basically put it on your face, hook it over your ears, and it gets hot. And this one smells like lavender. They come in a couple different fragrances. They also come unscented if you're bothered by scent. But it heats up the eyes, helps to relax. It feels amazing. These are great for flying as well if you have a long flight, or if you suffer from tension headaches, which I also do get. I highly recommend these for a variety of situations. So put that on. It really just helps to like relax all the muscles around the eyes and up into the forehead to make for a more soothing nap. So I also wear a sleeping mask, and this one's a terry cloth sleeping mask, and it's washable, and it's fantastic because, you know, clearly I've put a sleeping mask on, so I've got stuff on my face, right? I mean, the sleeping mask dries down, but still. So this is really great because you can throw it in the washing machine. This one is by a company called Cool Enough Studio. They are, I believe, a Korean company. I will put their link and then some other links for terry cloth washable ones in the box down below. So this is, I will put on an eye mask and then I'll put this on top to really block out the light, because while the heated masks are nice, they do not block out all the light, and I want to be able to like legit nap. The last thing, and this is going to sound kind of stupid, is a clean pillowcase. I bought this set of inexpensive, but they're very, very soft pillowcases off of Amazon. The reason is that, again, I've got a sleeping product on my face, and it's gonna possibly, rub off onto the pillowcase or transfer a little bit. So I want a clean pillowcase for my skin's sake, but then I also want something that I can throw into the wash and get clean very easily. I bought this set. Very inexpensive, use it once, pull it off, throw it in the laundry hamper. I think it came in a set of like 5. All right, so I think that's everything. Yes. All right, so real quick, I'm just gonna walk you through getting ready for a nap, and then I'm gonna go nap. So.
You're okay, you're okay, you're okay, we're okay. We were changed in an instant. We became so much more. Our definition of perfect was written when she was born. As she drew her first breath.
Okay, I'm gonna go put these on off screen, and I will be back when I'm done with my nap, probably in about an hour and a half. Okay, bye guys.
Hey guys, alright, so it's been about an hour and a half. And I'm just now getting back up. Oh, excuse me. I am going to go wash off my face and put on my under eye cream, put on a little moisturizer, and put on my sunscreen. And I will be back so we can take a look at the results with my good camera. Alright, see you in a minute.
Okay, so I washed off my face, put a little toner on, went ahead and decided not to put on the sunscreen because I wanted you guys to actually see what my skin looks like post Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask. I brushed the dry shampoo out of my hair. You probably can't tell because my hair is so dark, but it's a lot softer now. And not that it was gross before, but it was a hot day out today. And it definitely, like, I can feel the oil has been taken back out of it. It feels a lot cleaner. Need some product now because it's kind of sticking up all over the place, but that's okay. All right, I'm going to come in a little bit closer so you can see my skin. Hopefully I'm not going all blurry on you. Sorry about that, somebody's texting me. So my skin feels much, much softer now. I definitely have a little bit of a glow going on. I feel more relaxed, which is honestly the most important part of all of this, is that I feel better. Any kind of lingering stress, tension that I had before I laid down is completely gone. I feel nice and relaxed, ready to go put some makeup on, go out, have a nice evening, hopefully not be too tired. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment boxes down below and I will get back to you. Also, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment, hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, ring the bell, all those things, helps me out. Yeah. And I hope you guys are just as relaxed and ready to go as I am, and remembering that self-care is the most important form of care. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.